Hello students, today we are going to learn how to take multiple inputs by the user using a single input statement in our Python program. So first of all, we will start our Python application, that is Python IDLE. Now we will open a new file. Now here we can write our Python program. Now suppose we are doing a program, the addition of four numbers. Now generally what we do, we take four variables and we use four input statements to take inputs by the user, like this: a equal to int input, enter first number equal to. Now we write these input statements also for variable b, for variable c, and for variable d. That means we write the same input statement four times. Now suppose if I want to use only a single input statement to take four inputs by the user, then how to write the input statements? Then we write simply, here we put all variables name, that is a comma b comma c comma t, and equal to, and after equal to we use a function map. The function of this map is it converts all the inputs into integer. Here we write int, that means the all inputs will be converted into integer. If we put here float, then all inputs converted into float value. After that we put here a comma, then we write here input statements, and we write here enter four number. Then we put here a dot, and we write here split. This split function we use to take multiple inputs by the user. That's why we use here split function. Okay, now within split function we write within double inverted comma a comma separator. We use this comma separator because if we are going to take inputs by the user, we use this comma separation for taking inputs by the user. Then we enclose the whole input statements within a parenthesis. Now we will add these all inputs, that is, if we want to add these all inputs, then we use a fifth variable, that is e, where we store the addition of a, b, c, d. Then we write it here, e equal to a plus b plus c plus d. Now we print the statement, the addition of four numbers equal to comma e. We put here e because the addition of these four numbers is stored in e. Now we save this file with file name sum. Now we will run this program. Now here we can give inputs with using comma separation, like this, like 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8. Now when we press enter, we got the result. The addition of four number is this. So this is the way how you can use a single input statements to take these four inputs by the user. And suppose if you don't want comma separator, then you simply omit this comma and use here a space. Now you can take the inputs by giving a space like this: 4 space 5 space 6 space 7. Now you got the result. Suppose unfortunately you forgot to give space, you use a comma separator, then what it gives you? Suppose you write 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, but you are using a space operator on your program, then what it's give you? This give you an error because you have to use a space. Okay, now we're going to the next part. Now suppose if you want to take multiple inputs, that means the infinite numbers of input, not only for 1 2 3 or 4 5, you want to infinite numbers of input, then how to write the input statements? Then simply we put this all input statements within list, list, list. Use here a open parenthesis and at last we close it. Okay, that means if you want to take infinite numbers of inputs, then you have to include this all input statement within this list, and you have to use here only a single variable, and now if you want to add this all inputs by the user, then you have to take here a sum function. The use of this sum function is it's add all the inputs given by the user, and we like this a comma 0, and we write this statement like this. Here we use a sum function, then a variable, because we are using here a variable, then comma, then 0. Now when we save and run this program, we can now take multiple inputs, that means infinite numbers of input like this: 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5 space 6 space 7 space 8 space 9 space 7 space 6 space 5 space 4 space 3 space 2. That means you can take multiple inputs, and now when we press enter, we got the addition of these total inputs. Yes, here we got. Okay, so this is the way by using which we can take multiple inputs by the user using a single input statement. I hope you will understand this. Now in our next video we will discuss about some topics. Thank you and have a nice day.